Let's head on into one of my favorite stores. You got it. Okay, these air fresh candles, just like the name brand, they are awesome. They last 25 hours. They smell so good. Here it is, my next favorite thing, deodorant from the Dollar Tree, all name brand. Men's deodorant speed stick, Arm & Hammer, ladies speed stick, all name brand and full sizes. Here we go. The next thing, my favorite, Kleenex. Kleenex, name brand, Scotties, okay? They've got 148 in the box. These are full-size boxes, okay? Kleenex, Scotties, and here's my favorite, Puffs. 96 in the box. All 2-ply tissue, okay? $1. Here's my next favorite thing, rubber gloves, okay? I've got these under my kitchen sink right now. I have a pair there. I have a pair under my bathroom sink. I use these whenever I'm cleaning any kind of chemical or anything. They're perfect. They have Brillo and they have no name brands. I normally grab the Brillos, so I would say this is well worth it. And when it comes to the sponges, usually these sponges come in a pack of 2. They do have single ones, but why would you buy one when you get 2 for the same price, okay? And if they only have the big ones, I usually will buy them and cut them in half if I have to. But usually they have them in stock. But sponges and gloves at the dollar store. Here we go, ladies. Makeup removal cleansing towelettes. 25 in a pack. There's some in there 30 in a pack, and guess what? I saw these at Bed Bath & Beyond yesterday. They were $9.99 for the same amount. 25 in a pack. Here's a few of my other favorite things at the Dollar Tree. Enjoy. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Thanks for stopping by my channel, and please leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.